Yes, dear kids, we will scare a coward cow for it. We will draw a cropping line and also draw cow horns on both sides of this line. You also have to draw a step-by-step with me so that you can learn very quickly. For we will bring down the line on both sides and mix it in the ups. Your cow's face is made like my cow. Then we will draw the line for his body and make legs exactly. In this way, carefully cows are ready, and on the end, we will make it tail. How do you feel like my video if you like?